Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. I have good news for anyone who wants to learn piano. I have a YouTube channel called Love World Music Training Center on YouTube. We are about 32,000 subscribers as I'm recording this video. And I would like to entreat you to subscribe to my channel. The reason being that I have free tutorials for beginners who want to learn to become intermediate and professional. And I've structured my course in such a way that even if you're starting from the very first day, there's a lesson for you till you learn all the 12 keys. And I want you to either check this video either up or down and then click on the link and subscribe. It will take you to my YouTube channel. I have a playlist of 53 videos for beginners. Everything is free, and I mean free. You're not going to click a link and then it will take you there and it will say you should pay something. And I've detailed my course for you to be able to understand. Stay 6 months on my channel and you start playing for your church. Hope to see you, and then when you get to the channel, leave a comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.